converting 401k to gold. Rather than keeping your retirement savings in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that fluctuate based on the whims of the market, you may want to consider physically holding gold in your hands as your retirement asset of choice. While there are many ways to converting 401k to gold, here are some simple steps to help you start thinking about the value of gold as an investment vehicle. If you want to invest in gold, the first thing you need to do is convert your 401k to physical gold. This allows you to invest in physical gold bullion and coins. Before converting, you should know about the fees associated with this process. You want to make sure it will be beneficial to you. Important is how much it costs to convert from one type of retirement account to another. Let's get into detail about what steps to take and what is required in order to convert your 401k plan into a Gold IRA. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account, IRA, that allows you to invest in physical gold. This can give you valuable, tangible assets that aren't at risk from traditional investment instruments, like stocks and bonds. Additionally, there are several advantages to holding an IRA over a regular brokerage account. Certain IRAs like a self-directed or real estate IRA give you more flexibility with where to put your money. For example, if you have investments that fall outside of conventional IRAs, think Bitcoin, these alternative funds can be held inside a self-directed IRA. Self-directed IRAs provide tax-deferred status. Another benefit of self-directed IRAs is tax-deferred status. When your deposit grows, you don't pay taxes on its profits until you withdraw them. Most importantly, though, self-directed IRAs come with fewer restrictions than other accounts do. You don't have to hold specific investments in order to use them. Instead, you can choose between hundreds of options as long as they fall within IRS guidelines for IRAs. This gives you more flexibility and control over how you manage your money. Why would someone convert their 401k to gold? One of the biggest obstacles for many investors is being able to purchase precious metals. Purchasing physical gold and silver can be difficult for some. For many, that is not always easy to buy with cash. Investors may have a 401k or other retirement plan from their employer. They may want to convert it into gold, but are unsure of how. Here are some reasons why investors might want to consider converting their retirement accounts into physical precious metals. We explain the process below as well. The process is relatively simple and only takes a few steps. Converting retirement accounts into physical precious metals can be done in one of two ways. Purchasing physical bullion with cash. Rolling over your current account into a new self-directed IRA that allows you to buy metals. How to do the process? Purchase physical bullion with cash. If you prefer not to open a new self-directed IRA, you can simply purchase bullion with cash. You then hold it in your current account. This may not be as tax efficient though. Your metals will continue to grow and increase in value while they're in your account. Roll over your account. This option allows you to transfer all of your assets from your current retirement account into a new self-directed IRA. The new IRA will allow you to invest in precious metals. Spread investments across multiple accounts. If you aren't 100% confident in your financial future, diversification is key. It can be a good idea to diversify your retirement assets across multiple accounts. You don't want all of your eggs in one basket. If something prevents you from accessing your precious metals during an emergency, you won't be completely without access to funds. Consider insurance options. Many investors are hesitant to convert their retirement accounts into physical precious metals is due to insurance. If you have life insurance that cover your retirement assets, you should diversify accounts. To avoid losing everything if something happens, it can be wise to purchase a separate policy for your precious metals. Consider tax implications. It is always important to consider taxes when investing. Converting your 401k into physical precious metals can be no different. When rolling over a current retirement account into a self-directed IRA, you will pay taxes on any previous capital gains. You won't have to pay anything until you decide to sell your metals. So if you plan on holding them for many years, these fees may not be too significant. Check with your employer. Many times, it may be easier for you to convert your retirement accounts into gold than you think. Some employers will allow you to simply sell your account. Then you can transfer that money into a new self-directed IRA with no taxes or fees. It is always worth checking with them before taking any action. Review your options. If you're having trouble deciding your options, it can be a good idea to speak with a professional. It doesn't hurt to get another opinion, and a financial advisor will be able to make smart recommendations for you. Learn more. If you want to learn more about investing in physical precious metals, take a look through our website at givemethegold.com. We have a wide range of articles that can teach you everything you need to know. information on converting your retirement accounts into precious metals, or simply purchasing and holding bullion in your current account. Our YouTube channel is also a great resource. Tax savings benefits by converting 401k to gold. There are some tax savings benefits that come with converting a traditional 401k plan into a gold IRA. Depending on your situation, it could be worth doing. If you are leaving your employer in the near future, you can save money when you withdraw from your retirement. This is why many people consider converting their traditional 401k plans into gold IRAs. While converting is possible at any point, keep in mind that once it's complete, there's no going back. You either want to convert or not. There isn't a "I changed my mind halfway through" option. So do yourself a favor and do your homework before making any sort of big financial decision. Like converting your traditional 401k plan into a gold IRA. How do I convert my 401k to gold? If you have a 401k with a big balance, you're probably not looking forward to paying taxes when you take it out. There is a better way, however. Convert your savings into gold. The beauty of precious metals is that they retain their value. They hold onto it even better than stocks and bonds during times of market volatility. The process is fairly simple, though you'll need a bit of paperwork and help from your accountant. First, establish an LLC, if you don't already have one. Then, get in touch with one of our recommended providers. They will set up shop as a qualified purchaser, and that way they can purchase precious metals on your behalf. If that sounds complicated, don't worry. It will all be taken care of for you by the provider. Talk to them today about converting your 401k into physical gold. How to move a 401k to gold without penalty. Gold can protect your finances in the event of an economic crisis. It might be time to consider investing some of your money in gold. While 401k plans aren't normally allowed to be invested in gold, there are ways to move your 401k into gold. Ways to do it without incurring fees or major penalties. Here's what you need to know to get started moving your 401k into gold and other precious metals. Moving 401k to gold without penalty rules and requirements. Depending on your plan, you may be able to move some or all of your 401k balance into gold. In general, you can only do so if you're 55 years or older and are moving it into an IRA. Be sure to have about 30% of your current 401k balance in cash in order to avoid penalty fees. It's not mandatory but highly recommended. Depending on your age, you may also have other options for investing in gold. If you're 45 or older, you can invest up to $100,000 in a self-directed IRA. You can buy up to 25 ounces of gold bullion. 1 ounce equals 31.1 grams. You can also set up an IRA charitable rollover account, CROA, and donate cash in order to open it. When you do, you can use your gold in order to make your donation. Are you younger than 45 and want to invest more than $5,000 in a retirement account? Be sure that you have an IRA and not a 401k. Fewer penalties with a gold IRA than a 401k. IRA accounts also have fewer restrictions and penalties. If you're younger than 50, you can withdraw your money at any time. After age 591 halves, you can withdraw funds penalty-free as well. Are you younger than 59 and a half and want to move your 401k balance into an IRA? Be sure that it has no loans outstanding, otherwise it could turn into taxable distributions rather than retirement distributions. How do I convert my 401k? So you've decided that converting a traditional 401k into physical gold is right for you. It's time to get started. You will have some important decisions to make in order to make sure that your conversion goes smoothly. Are you still wondering if converting a traditional 401k into a gold IRA is right for you? You can rest assured that investing in gold through your IRA is safe. Converting a 401k into a gold IRA with one of our recommended providers is easy. They will handle all of the steps for you. Confirm you have enough funds in your traditional 401k. Contact your 401k plan administrator to confirm you have enough funds in your traditional 401k for a gold IRA rollover. If there are not enough funds available in your traditional 401k, have no fear. You can roll over other eligible retirement plans or IRAs into your existing traditional IRA. Make a rollover contribution into a new or existing IRA and roll it over into a new or existing gold IRA. This process is commonly referred to as an IRA structure check or IRA conversion. Process through self-directed broker, advisor. It's important that you select a custodian who will work with you directly. Self-directed IRAs are typically brokerage accounts where you can buy and sell investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The IRS has strict guidelines on how much money can be converted from your traditional 401k plan into precious metals. What the IRS requires with a Gold IRA rollover. The process: the IRS requires that you convert funds from your traditional 401k plan into precious metals. You roll over funds directly from your original retirement account. You can roll these funds into a self-directed IRA at a Gold IRA custodian. There are several different precious metals available to invest in. These include gold and silver bullion coins and bars, or even gold certificates with numismatic value. Augusta Precious Metals and our other recommended companies offer a variety of precious metals IRAs. First, you open up an account with them. You can then start investing in gold by rolling over funds from your traditional 401k into a precious metals IRA. Funds will take 10-14 days to transfer over. If you want to invest in gold, first you need a place to store it. A traditional savings account won't do. It's smart to take advantage of your tax-deferred and tax-free assets by transferring your funds over from a traditional 401k plan into a Gold IRA. This is one of many reasons it is imperative that you begin investing in precious metals as soon as possible. Interest rates are at an all-time low and are rising fast. So convert your 401k now before it's too late. To qualify for a Gold IRA or self-directed IRA, you must be allowed to withdraw from existing retirement plans. To see if you have that ability, contact your plan administrator today. Also consider consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in IRAs. They may also be able to offer insight on other ways to diversify as well. Commodities such as silver bullion coins and small bars made of pure silver or gold. Working with your Gold IRA custodian of choice. You can work with your IRA custodian of choice to choose an option that best fits your needs. But don't wait too long. Time is on your side if you have a retirement plan that offers more assets, but less time. It may be too late in a few years if you leave it up to chance. Consider rolling over your existing account into another type of precious metals IRA account. One backed by physical gold and silver bullion rather than shares, futures or options contracts. A self-directed IRA offers many more investment opportunities than just stocks and bonds. Also available are other types of physical gold and silver investments such as coins and small bars. Plus, you'll still benefit from tax-deferred growth like before. So what are you waiting for? A gold or silver IRA can protect you against currency fluctuations, inflation or potential market collapse. Now is a great time to get started.
Picking the right Gold IRA company is important. Augusta Precious Metals is our top pick, and for good reason. They were rated Best Gold IRA in Money Magazine for 2022 and have the highest level of customer satisfaction in the industry. They can help you roll over a traditional IRA or 401k plan into gold or open a new account. Just click on the link below the video or visit goldinvestingtoday.com. You can also call 1-855-470-4636. Get in touch now.